Hello guys, this is Kwa from Kim Guan Corporations, and today I'm going to introduce you one of our top selling product recently, Midea 7-liter Air Cooler MAC107. My sister bought one during MCO because she can't install aircon that time, and she is really impressed with this air cooler. This just makes me feel like sharing this information to you guys. So if you have problem to fall asleep during the hot day, but you don't really want to install aircon in your room, this will be a very good choice for you. It looks sleek and stylish, and it is very worthy and affordable. When you take out the water box, you will see 2 ice packs inside. Don't open it, just put it into the fridge and save for later.
$2,000 years later.
To begin with, pour water into the water box to enjoy cool air. If your room is just too hot, take out the ice pack that you put in the fridge and put it into the water, and it will help to cool down your room even faster. The water inside can last for around 8 hours, and it should be enough for daily usage. You also have waterless protections and alarm. You can turn the blade in 16 degrees, and the coverage area is also very wide. As you can see, the wind is 50% stronger than normal fan, and you can use the silent mode when you are about to sleep, or you can just fully operate it to cool down the room faster. After a few months, if you feel that the wind power become weaker, you can just take out the filter and clean it with dry cloth. Rinse the cover behind to maintain the best performance. We will be having special promotion until Double 11, and check out our description for more information. If this video helps your buying decisions, I hope you can leave us a comment, press like button and share the video. I hope to see you guys soon.